Okay, so if you can see that crane over there and that construction work over there, but we're in Central Park. There's some people playing basketball, well, basketball or a soccer court, and there's a library. So we're going to talk all about this on this one of Get Sidetracked. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're back on Guimares. There's our Central Park over there. We're gonna walk over there in a minute if we can get around this whole construction street. So this whole street, I filmed it a few times because it's transforming. And I don't know if you remember another film I did. There's a fire station right over there, right next to this yellow building. And then over here, I filmed over here because this will connect to one of our train stations. So this is kind of where we're at right now. There's more construction here too. There's so much construction in Macau. I think we'd have it anyways, but with COVID, and you can also see how they do it. There's the train way up there, but we have all the scaffolding everywhere. It's like bamboo scaffolding. So yeah, this whole building's under construction. I don't know what that's gonna be. Straight over there is the new IKEA. And then this is one big massive thing, and we're gonna go check out the swimming pool if we can. So we're gonna try to go around this whole street that's under construction. And you have this, I think that's a walkway. So I think what people are gonna be able to do is come out of the station and just walk all the way down the street, which is kind of interesting. So because I don't know, if you just walk down the main street, it feels maybe kind of long, but if you're walking down one of these things all the way down, I don't know exactly where it's gonna go though, unless they have some big plans for the street. But yeah, so I guess this would just go directly all the way down. I mean, they're building it to be that way. There's another pillar. Anyways, we are going to go on the other side of this, and then we'll film lots of construction everywhere, right? This is a bus stop that's, I guess no buses can come through, so they knocked it down. I don't know. So let's see, we have a... Actually, it's kind of interesting because I'm basically recording stuff so that later people will see this and they will see what Macau was like in 2020. So let's just take a look. There's no cars here. I guess they're all on a detour as well. Here's all the construction. More construction. So this will all look different later. Just see any traffic. So we're gonna go check out the swimming pool, the Central Park area. So once we can get in, that one's closed. And this area has all these very tall buildings everywhere. So basically this whole park is surrounded by tall buildings. So we're gonna get into Central Park and then we'll do the next video. Okay, so now we're in the park. This is called Central Park. There's a swimming pool right here, and there's some little things to put your feet on, like that. Feels good. And we're gonna just try to check more things out. So yeah, when you're in here, it's pretty amazing because there's well, there's sporting facilities for one, but then also, you know, you're kind of in a garden, there's chairs everywhere, and usually you can enter in all kinds of places, but right now there's only one space available to enter. We have to do our health card check. But when you're in here, it's kind of amazing because you can see all these tall buildings everywhere. So you're just kind of surrounded by them. So yeah, they're all pretty massive, and they kind of go in there's a couple of spaces, I guess, where there's not as many. So yeah, this is called Central Park. Over there is a swimming pool. Then you can relax on all these chairs. That's a swimming pool right there, so it's actually open. And they have a lifeguard. And I think it just opened a few days ago. But anyways, so basically what we're doing now is we're walking towards that construction area. And then we're gonna probably conclude this one. So maybe I might conclude this one, Guimares and Central Park, I guess. So now you get an idea of how they connect, what it looks like on the inside. And actually, usually this is really, there's people everywhere. There's people occupying most of these places, but now it's mostly people with kids, bring their kids in, I think, for swimming or the playground area. And there's a dog park right there too. Some beautiful dogs in there. So anyway, and there's a library as well. So some people will come in specifically for the library. I think maybe we'll end the video by the library. I don't want to film where there's kids, but that's where kids will play at. But this is the library right down here, and a lot of people will bring their kids because they have a pretty good kid section for library as well. So there it is right there. So you can go in there. I don't think I'm allowed to bring in a camera in there, so I won't. But basically you can. Let me see if we can find the front. But yeah, there's the entrance down there, and it has kind of a cool way to go in too. So yeah, you can see part of the library. So it's basically underground, and lots of people are studying and reading newspapers or working on their laptops. Okay, so this is where we're at today. Hope you enjoyed this one as well. So this is the construction at Guimares and Central Park. Chiquinha, chiquinha.